Hi, this is Tracey from GiftBasketAppeal, and today we're going to be making these beautiful bookmarks. So let's get started. So I have been really admiring these butterflies. I've been doing several projects using the butterflies, and I made these butterflies using the cereal boxes, and I used the butterfly stamp from Dollar Tree. And so I had made some circular gift tags the other day, and I'll post this video as well. And I thought, you know what? Why not make some bookmarks? So I'm going to show you how to do these. I'll also post a video for this, for the butterflies. And I'm also going to use these sheets from a book. And for my template, or for my shape, I'm going to be using this odd shape here. Now this actually came from my stamping block. And so I have this really long stamping block, and I like the shape of it. And so I decided, you know what? Why not use it? And I've done this in another video as well, where I made bookmarks using this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my AdTech Crafters tape, and I'm going to cover this, and of course this is all this is. Another way to use up stuff, this is a cereal box. So there's no need to really get fancy with this stuff. You can just use whatever you have. Okay, and so I ran out of this, so guess what? I'm going to use my glue. And I'm not going to need like a whole bunch on here. I'm just using my art glitter glue. Don't want that on there. Okay. And I'm just going to cover it. So you can just about use anything. If you don't want to use like the sheets of notebook, but I think it's such a cute background for this. You can use whatever you want to cover it with. And it's amazing how one idea sparks another. And because I love butterflies, I thought, you know what? Why not make a butterfly bookmark? So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. I'm going to cover both sides because you want your bookmark to look really good. So I'm going to cover both sides of this. Okay, so I covered both sides, and now I'm going to go ahead and distress this just to kind of give it an older look. And I'm just using Vintage Photo Distress ink from Tim Holtz. I'm just going around the edges here. Just want it to have an older feel to it. And this distress ink is a winner. I love it. Just do the back, just because. This is a great gift for teachers. Teachers love bookmarks. And I know as a librarian, I love bookmarks too. So if you frequent your local library and you make one of these for your librarian, he or she will be very happy. But this makes a great teacher gift too. So all right, so let's go ahead and we just straighten that out a little bit. Now I think it needs a border, so I'm going to create a border. And I'm just using my Sharpie. You can use whatever black marker you have. I think the border just has an extra added detail to this. Just makes it stand out more too, so. And I did come above the line right around here. But that's okay, that's actually going to be covered up. So I think bookmarks are a great way to use up your embellishments. And just feel free to experiment with this. And see, you can do a thin border or you can do a really thick one. So in certain places I want it to be thick. But you can definitely do whatever you want. Just have fun. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just finish up these little details here, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so that's what I have so far. And I just came out a little bit thicker in certain areas, a little bit thinner in areas, and I kind of like the way that looks. Punch my hole there. Okay. And now I'm just going to go around with my white gel pen just to lighten up that area now, make it look more artsy. And you can do whatever you want. If you don't want to use black, you can use red, whatever color markers you have. I know they have all different kinds of Sharpies now. Okay, look how cute that is. Okay, let's go ahead and see where we can, let me add my twine in there and then I'll put my butterflies on here. And so these are very similar to the gift tags that I did. And once I saw that idea, I said, you know what? I can make some matching bookmarks as well. So I'm loving the way that's turned out. Look at that. And then if you want to decorate the other side, you can. I might just put a little black border around the other side. Okay, so let's put our butterflies on here. And these are somewhat thick because they're made from like the cereal box. I think a soap box I used also. And some packaging. Look how cute that is. And I'm going to just, let's see how this works on here. If not, I can always use my hot glue gun. I'm going to just go right up to here. And because it has a certain thickness, the butterflies, it kind of has a little bit of dimension on here. So look how pretty that looks so far. Oops. Okay. Put one right in the middle here. So far, so good. And then one right below here I think would be nice. Yep. Okay, that looks really good. I'm really liking the way that looks. And then I'm going to add some words to this. Hello, beautiful. And let me go ahead and put it, I think I'll put it on the word and then just put it on there. Yep. And this art glitter glue is excellent. It's great for any of your crafting, paper crafting. It's excellent. I've never had anything that has come off with my art glitter glue. So if you do not have art glitter glue as one of your crafting tools, you need to get some. So I'll definitely put a link for that below. And let's go ahead and add just a little bit of detail on here. Let's see. Make sure that's on there all right. Now I can go like right around this, like this. just to add a little bit of a border, nothing perfect, just kind of enhancing it. Because remember, we're just having fun here. Okay, and let me see. I think I'm going to do some dots around here. Just kind of connecting the dots, giving it some detail, just kind of swirling it around here. Okay, and I think that's enough on that. And look how cute that turned out. Just a few minutes to make these. There's another one that I did I thought was cute, so just have fun with it. And this is the one that doesn't have as much distress on it. I didn't put as much ink on there, just a little bit. But look how cute and artsy those look. So you can make a ton of these, and I do hope this inspired you. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. I would really love to have you join us. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.